In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the Enhanced Tiles tool, where you have lots of options for customizing tiles. All these tiles work by displaying visual effects and text when you hover over them. If you haven't watched the introductory video on the Content Layout tool, you'll want to do that first to avoid any confusion and problems like breaking the HTML tags. If you've already done so, keep watching. Start off by clicking Launch Content Layout tool. Remember, every time you use the Content Layout tool, you need to click and hold the cursor while inserting tools. So click and hold the plus sign. I'll hover over Enhanced Tiles first set, and then select one tile, and release the cursor to insert the tool. Then we'll try the Enhanced Tiles second set, and for this one, I'll do one tile as well. For Enhanced Tiles, you have lots of customization options that give you different visual effects. So play around and see what best suits your needs. Please take note that you need to choose one of these customization options and you can't leave it on default or the tile won't work. I'm going to pick Grace for the first set and Vivid for the second set. Now you might remember from the introductory tutorial that you can't go back and change customization options without deleting the tool and adding it again. So make sure you're happy with the customization settings for each tool, and when you're done, press OK. Clicking OK takes us to the content editor. Here we can insert images, text, and links into our tiles. To make editing easier, let's make this full screen using the button second from the right in the top right-hand corner. First, we'll insert the images. Right-click the image box and select Image. This window appears, and it's important for accessibility that I add an image description and title, and then click Update. Then we'll edit the text. Remember, whenever you edit text with the Content Layout tool, you need to remember three things. 1. Write your text in between the square brackets, and then, once you've finished, use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move behind those brackets and delete or backspace them. This is the only way to make sure you don't mess up the formatting. 2. Do not press Enter while writing text. Adding paragraph breaks can add extra HTML tags that will break the tool. And 3. If you're copying text from another document, always convert it to plain text first using TextEdit, Notepad, or another plain text editing program so that you don't end up with any formatting issues or extra HTML tags. If you need a refresher on how to do that, please check out the introductory video in this tutorial series. The display of the text might look a little strange right now in the content editor, but it will display correctly when you press Submit. With basic tiles and enhanced tiles, you need to limit the amount of text that you add to the tile, as all the text needs to fit into limited space or it'll get cut off. The size of the tiles becomes smaller when viewed on mobile or tablet, so keep the text nice and short to avoid any display issues. Last of all, let's link this tile to some content in the subject. I want to link to a resource page on UTS Library. So first I'll need to open up that page in a new tab, copy the URL, then I'll click anywhere in this blue text, and I won't delete the brackets until I've finished adding links as well, and then I'll click this link button. In the link window, I can link students to any URL by pasting it in the link path section. So I'll take out this hash and paste in the URL I'd like to link to. Now I'm linking to the library page, which isn't in UTS Online, so I'll need to change this link to open in a new window. Do this anytime you add a link that goes to somewhere outside of UTS Online. So when I've finished, I'll click Submit to proceed. Here's what it's going to look like. And then I'll simply turn edit mode off, drag the browser window in to check that everything's displaying correctly on mobile, and then I can make the content available to students. That sums up how to use enhanced tiles. Bye for now.